What's the dealio? What is the dealio? Man, oh man, it's been an eventful week slash month slash day. It's been a bunch of stuff going on, a bunch of dope stuff too. Um, so really quick, first I want to thank you guys for even being here, watching this video. Please make sure you go ahead, if it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Also, please leave a comment, share the video because it does help me grow. I would greatly appreciate it. Right now, we're going to talk about some stuff dealing with the 240. Yes, the 240. So the 240 is actually supposed to be starting to get worked on. Hopefully tomorrow, or by this time, it will be Monday. It will start getting worked on Monday. That's what I'm hoping for. My buddy's supposed to come pick it up and get some stuff done with it. We already have the engine bay painted, and that was like one of the biggest things that I had wanted to redo just to make sure that it was the way I wanted it to be. I didn't want to have any issues with it. I didn't want to have to worry about, like, what's what I'm looking for? Peeling later on. I didn't have to worry about any type of bullshit that the other painter did. So got it repainted, and that was good. I like it. Shout out to the homie on the repainted, Darren. He did his thing, man. He did his thing, and it definitely came out really good. So I actually had a goodie in the other day, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this, if I'm gonna put that in this video. I might put it as part of it. I don't know yet. We'll see. But I got a hood I've been wanting for so long, literally forever. I've been wanting this hood. Like, it's been one of the things that, like, I feel like if you own a 240, you're like goated if you own one of these hoods. Part of my camera just bouncing all out of the whack. So I guess I'll tell you a story. I'll break it down like this. When I first initially thought about getting my 240, I was in the military, and my buddy was one who owned it, and it had it in the storage. We were actually on deployment, and while we were on deployment, he was like, he's thinking about selling it. I'm like, you know what? If you sell, I'll buy it. So literally all deployment, that's all I kept thinking about. I kept thinking about buying a car. Like, I would think about what it's going to look like after I mod it, like what I'm going to do to it. Just a bunch of different things is what went through my mind the entire time I was in deployment. So, and if anybody's been in the military, they know when you're in deployment, you really ain't got much to do besides think, eat, work out, and work. So the fact that that's all I was doing was thinking about what I'm going to do to it was a big, big driving factor to me picking it up. When we got home, he said that there was a tapping in the head. And I was like, I don't care, man. I'll still buy it. So the tapping in the head was actually something very minor. It was only the exhaust had an engine leak. The exhaust had a exhaust leak. Once I tightened those bolts up, it was a wrap. Car ran perfectly fine. And like, I low-key kind of like kicked myself in the ass now because I didn't take the car like far and do like things with it. I didn't actually drive the car the way it should have been driven. I didn't go to like, because I was in Lemoore, California. I didn't go to like Button Willow Raceway. I didn't drive to like through the it's like mountains. You drive through the mountains and all that, but I didn't do any of that, and I should have. But that is my bad. So now I'm like definitely inclined driving the car a lot more. I'm actually planning on once the motor is done, I'm planning to drive it back to my mom. I drove it to my mom one time before, so I'm planning to drive it back down there again just to break the motor in, and drive it to far places, man. Maybe Jacksonville, and maybe South Florida a couple of times just to get the motor broken and enjoy the car. Of course, I probably also need to put AC in it, but that's going to be something later. So, being that, I always collected pictures offline of what I wanted my 240 to look like. And there was this one 240, it was a black one in Japan. It was super lowered. It was slammed to the ground. It had the Type X front, all that good stuff, right? And it was just so dope. So, long story short, he had a hood, and I was like, man, I want that hood so bad. And I didn't want to do the typical thing where everybody cuts the hood and then puts that vent on there. I wanted that hood, like since 2012. It had to be that hood. So finally, we got that hood. Now the dope thing about it is that they don't sell this hood anymore. And now I guess considered somewhat of a rare item because they don't sell it anymore. So here it goes. The D-Max hood. This hood right here is what I call a dream. It is literally a hood I've been wanting for years. Years and years and years and years. The fenders are only mocked up right now, so you can't really like tell like the gaps and all that, but there shouldn't be any gaps from what I saw of Buddy's car. But shout out to the dude Jared who went ahead and sold me this hood. He wasn't going to sell that at first, but then he was like, yo, you know what, if you buy it right now, I'll go ahead and sell it to you. I was like, all right, cool. Locked the deal in, he shipped it out, and it's all now history. So the hood is great because of course I'll have what's it called, I'll be able to get heat out, and it also keep the engine cool. But also most of the hoods that you see now, they don't have that back center vent. That back center vent is also good because it also helps dissipate heat. If you see back here, you see this right here. So this also helps dissipate heat as well. And you have these fins right here. I still haven't figured out how these go in here. But you know what? Let me see if I could figure out how to make it go in here real quick. Be right back. All right, so I got them in, and that's how it sits. I might try to see if I could do something to kind of like clean, make this like look a little bit cleaner over here, so when you look down at it, it won't look like this per se. Might just see if I can get like a some kind of mesh to kind of like clean up a little bit. And then this one right here is a little bit loose, so he said he didn't have anything holding it down, just rattled, but I'm gonna try and figure out how I can secure these down a little bit more than what it's like right now. But you can see what it looks like right there, and then from the front, of course, it just looks mean. It looks super mean. Hands down, one of my most favorite hoods ever for the 240. And the fact that I have it now is honestly a dream come true. The plan is to get the car to my boy so that way he can start working on it, and then hopefully we'll get it running, get it tuned and all that good stuff. Put some more power down and actually be able to have fun with the power this time. So we'll see. So I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I have to get a couple more things for the car, but the car should be in the shop this week, hopefully. Or cross our fingers. Brake Boost Garage is taking care of it. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the hood. Let me know what you guys think about the car. Let me back up real quick so you kind of see it. Still a lot of work to do, a lot of body work to do. Found a big ass dent on my damn roof. I'll show that in another video. Got some parts too, but overall, super stoked with what's coming out with the car, and I literally can't wait till it's finished. I'm able to actually enjoy it. So leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please go ahead and like this video, and make sure you will become a subscriber, because if you're gonna have dope stuff on here, we still have the SC, which is right, as you can see, looking all pretty and cute. I just sold the wheels on the freaking SUV. Supposed to get some new wheels tomorrow for it. Don't really document that too much, but it's not really a lot going on. It's just like little upgrades here and there, nothing too crazy. But definitely let me know what you guys think about the hood, about the car. Definitely make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video. I appreciate you guys. Till next time, I'll holla at y'all. Peace.